Hey besties, so I have a random question for you. What's your shoe size? The only reason I need to know this is because I'm a US size 8 and literally everywhere I go, it seems like that's the only size that's sold out. So you guys gotta let me know in the comments, what size shoe do you wear? Also, you have to let me know what you think about my latest resin creation using Glittersy glitter. Guys, I have so many of these glitters and I am just having so much fun making different designs with them. They are so much fun to work with. So for this creation in particular, I wanted to use two of my new purple glitters, and guys, these two paired so good together. But once I demolded, guys, I felt like my plate was missing something. I was having a hard time deciding what to add, but I remembered that I have this amazing tape from the washi tape shop. Now, I know it's a bit much having purple on top of purple, but you know, I couldn't figure out another color to use, and I had to figure out which flower set looked the best, and this is the one I landed on. So yes, the next time that I use this tape, it will have to be on more of a solid background, but I still think that this kind of pulled the entire plate together. So you guys have to let me know, am I being delulu right now? Like, is this just too much purple, or does it actually kind of work out to you? Let me know what you think in the comments, and then be sure to drop some purple emojis to let me know that you're a true supporter. All right, my loves, so thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay kind, stay amazing, and keep on resonating.